Hello and welcome to the video. In today's video we're going to be learning about dynamic delegates. These are basically events that fire when certain events from within the component gets called. So if we go to the actor that we've added our attribute component to and click on the component in the component panel, and then in the details panel scroll down, we'll find the events tab, and then under that tab we'll find all of our delegates. So if we take the first one on apply current health update, and if we press the plus button, it will then give us this event here, or this delegate here, which will fire every time our current health is updated. Now, like I said, this is an event that gets called from within other events. So if we get our attribute and then pull off of that and then go apply heal, this would also obviously call this event. So if we hover over it, it says that then fires a bindable event on apply current health update. This main use is for like UI and stuff like that. It could be used for other stuff as well, but we'll get into that more later. But say if we're using it for something like UI and we got a progress bar which we want to update, a lot of people tend to use progress bars and use the bind feature here, which obviously that would work, but the thing is it updates it every single tick, and we don't want to keep updating it every single tick because that's not very good for resources. So the best thing to do would be to update it when the actual value gets updated itself. So I've just made a very simple UI, a little HUD. This will be released with the plugin itself. We're just creating it and adding it to the viewport and setting a reference. So once we got a reference, we can then pull off of it. Get our HUD reference there, the health HUD widget. There we go, and then set progress. And now this progress bar takes in a scalar value, which is a value from 0 to 1. So our health obviously is going to exceed that. So something cool, which is a little function I added, would be get attribute, and then you can say get health scalar value. So this will then divide the current health by the max health, and then it will give you a scalar value. So then we can just plug it in like that. So now every time this function will get called, or say a damage function, it will come down here and it will then update it like so. So that's a brief explanation on delegates and the little bit of UI that we have set up for the project. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.